Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you one of the biggest factors that contributes to the success of my print-on-demand business, and that is finding niche templates and then scaling them out so that I am in many different niches. It could be 10, 20, it could be 100, it could be 1,000. Using these templated niches, I'm going to show you how I find them, give you an example of a really good one, and then I'm going to show you how we can make really nice high-end designs for each one of these with ease. So let's get to it. So for this video, we're going to be using Dominator for niche research and Kittl for design. I will link to both in the description. So in Dominator, go to MBA and KDP on the left-hand side and click best sellers. I always like to start here just to get an idea of what is selling really well right now. A lot of them are going to be trends, but if you scroll down far enough, and by the way, this is in order of bestseller to less bestseller, I don't know, to least seller, I guess you could say. Basically, the ones at the top are selling more than the ones at the bottom. But if you keep scrolling, you'll get past a lot of the trends and you'll start to see, maybe some evergreen niches. That's typically what I'm after. Now, I already had one in mind, so I'm going to go ahead and search it. But if you don't have one in mind, just scroll until you get some inspiration. Have you seen the niche, just a girl who loves? And you've probably seen like just a girl who loves anime is typically one of the best sellers. You can actually see it right there in the #1 spot. Just a girl who loves anime, ramen, and sketching. But there's many other hobbies and interests, you know what I mean? The things that people are passionate about that you could associate with this niche, whether you want to make text-only designs or make nicer designs. And as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how I would go about doing that. So just a girl who loves anime, just a girl who loves dogs, just a girl who loves wrestling, just a girl who loves dragons, just a girl who loves softball, just a girl who loves pickles, just a girl who loves axolotls. Guys, there's so many different ways you can take this. I also wanted to show you though, in addition to studying the best sellers here, you can go down to AI tools in Dominator and click AI niche generator. Now from here, their AI can help you figure out like, what does the girl love, right? Just a girl who loves ... Well, what are these interests? What are the hobbies, etc.? You can literally click hobbies right here and click generate, and it'll give you 10 hobbies just like that. You can go to specify the keyword, and you can literally type just a girl who loves and click regenerate. And it's going to basically fill in the blanks for us, running marathons, watching movies. So you can also, you can use them as is, or you can just take liberties to alter them. So I might say just a girl who loves running, just a girl who loves marathons, create separate designs. Just a girl who loves movies, just a girl who loves painting, just a girl who loves music, all from the AI niche generator. By the way, you can get very specific. What if I really wanted to hit this niche hard and scale it out as much as possible? I could get as granular as saying, give me examples of water sports. Hit regenerate. Just a girl who loves jet skiing, wakeboarding, kayaking, canoeing, scuba diving, snorkeling, whitewater rafting, windsurfing, water polo, paddleboarding. Guys, there's so many ways that you can use Dominator to not only find those high-level niche templates, but then to fill them in with examples like what you see behind me. Now, the next part is going to involve using Kittl. And like I said, if you want to go a little bit above and beyond your competition, guys, you can use their AI v2 by clicking Kittle AI and then just typing in a prompt right here, as I'm about to do. Why don't we use, let's use scuba diving as our example. So I ran the prompt, a teenage girl with scuba mask and oxygen tank, underwater scuba diving. And it produced this image. Now I did use the background remover as well. Kittl has an AI background remover. With the background, it actually looked like this, but with the background removed, it looks like this. Now the background remover is one click away. I'm pointing to it behind me. So none of the stuff that I just showed you is hard to do. This is a very basic prompt. A teenage girl with scuba mask and oxygen tank, underwater scuba diving. When it comes to image styles, I use the first one there, digital art, which I feel like translates well into t-shirt designs. And as you can see here, I've got a really nice high-end graphic that I can pair with the AI generated niche in this case for a really nice t-shirt. Obviously, Kittl's got a lot of great text options as well. So you would put your text above and probably the word scuba diving below. And next thing you know, guys, you could have a best-selling t-shirt on your hands. So that's really what I wanted to show you guys. It doesn't need to be more complicated than this. Things are different in 2024 than they used to be in the past. use your edges. If it's AI, then use AI. Make high quality products in niches that people are willing to buy, they're looking to buy, right? Your research tools are going to help you identify those opportunities. And that's really it. So guys, I'm going to link to Merch Dominator and Kittl in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you soon with a new video.